Hello class 10th, good morning. Today we will solve exercise 8.1 and question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B. This is triangle ABC, right angle at B. AB equal to 24 centimeter. This is AB, 24 centimeter. BC equal to 7 centimeter. BC equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A and cos A. Listen student, whether here in triangle, right triangle ABC, B is 90 degree and A acute angle is here, we will consider side AB as base and side BC as perpendicular. Notice this point. The angle 90 degree included with acute angle A, we will say AB is base. Then BC is perpendicular and side opposite to 90 degree is hypotenuse. Now we will calculate third side hypotenuse AC by using Pythagoras theorem. In right triangle ABC, we have hypotenuse AC square equal to base AB square plus perpendicular BC square. AB square is 24 centimeter whole square plus BC square 7 centimeter whole square. 24 whole square is 576 centimeter square. 7 centimeter whole square is 49 centimeter square. Now we add 576 and 49, we got 625 centimeter square. This is AB square. Now we find, this is AC square. AC equal to under root 625 centimeter square. AC we have 25 centimeter. Now we need sin A. The ratio of trigonometric ratio of sin A is, sin A we have perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Yes, hypotenuse we got 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter. Then we will say perpendicular is 7 and hypotenuse is 25. Sin A is 7 upon 25. And now we need cos A. Cos A equal to base upon hypotenuse. Here we have base AB is 24 centimeter and hypotenuse is 25 centimeter. This is first part, sin A, cos A. Sin A 7 upon 25, cos A 24 upon 25. Now we will determine the value of sin C and cos C. Now student look, with 90 degree angle, whether we consider C angle as acute angle, then side will be change. Side will be change. Now we will draw same triangle here. This is B 90 degree, AB 24, and now C. Whether we consider this C acute angle with 90 degree, this side BC we will represent as base and AB we will represent as perpendicular. Now base is here, we have 7 centimeter and we already determined side AC as 25. This is 25. Now we will say sin C again perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Your perpendicular is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. And cos C we have base upon hypotenuse. Now your new base is 7 upon hypotenuse 25. This is your question first.